Wagwan YouTube, yes, welcome to the Jamaican Recipe Queen, where we cook with love and passion. Today, my families, I'm going to share with you my curry, lobster and shrimp recipe. This is going to be awesome and delicious. So here I have my wok on the stove. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add some butter. Alright, so when the butter is melted, I am going to go in and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of my curry. So I'm using 2 tablespoons of curry powder. That's 2 tablespoons. And I'm going to also add some turmeric. So adding my turmeric, about 1 teaspoon of turmeric. And I'm just going to stir this up. Alright, so what we're going to do now, we're going to add our minced garlic. So I have like 4 or 5 cloves of garlic that I chopped. I want to add that. I'm just going to allow this to burn in the oil, and we're going in with 1 pepper. You can cut up your pepper if you like, okay? Alright, so what we're going to do now, we're going to add some mushrooms that I already chopped. And I'm going to add some fresh thyme and some bell peppers. What I'm going to go in with now is some pimento seeds. I ground my pimento seeds. And I'm going to go in with some fresh green onion. You can use scallion as well, okay? So now we are going to just mix this around together, and we're going to add some water. We don't want to allow the curry to burn too much, so we're going in with our water. Alright, so what we're going to do now, we're going to put some seasoning, alright, some powdered seasoning. So here I have some dry minced onion. I have some garlic, salt and onion powder right there. I have my masala, some bay leaves, black pepper, oregano and some fish seasoning. Alright, we're just gonna dump that in. Alright, so it's looking lovely. I'm going to go in with 1 onion. And now we're going to add our lobster first. Alright, so now we're going to add our lobsters. Just want to taste the gravy and see if you need any salt. And if you do need salt, you can just add a little bit to your liking, okay? Alright, it is looking lovely. Spin it up, and then we're going to just put our shrimp and close this down for about 6 to 7 minutes, and then we can check up back on it, okay? Alright, see now, we are just going to cover this down and allow it to cook. It is smelling so good already. Alright, so let's cover down our pot. Okay, we'll come back and check up in a bit. Okay, my people, so it is ready. Sorry, I turned off the stove about 5 to 10 minutes ago because I had something else looking after, but it is ready. This is the final result. I'm gonna share some of this up. It is looking absolutely amazing. See that gravy, rich, nice and thick? Yes, that's how I love my curry. So leave me a little bit of like. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscription button. Turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, God bless you.